shit I like, yeah, yeah, that's a vibe. It's a vibe, that's a vibe. Oh, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah, yeah. That's a vibe.
It is such a beautiful day, so I decided to go grocery shopping. The refrigerator is on E, so we have to get her restocked and refilled. So let's go ahead and get into today's vibe. I like to have all of my groceries laid out on my kitchen table just so I don't have to go to the pantry 3 or 4 times. This is just a little bit easier for me.
Yeah, cause girls is players too. Yeah.
We have the true lime and lemonade. Oh my god, these are so good. And then my husband picked up the glass, but I'm not too sure how they taste. Now my refrigerator is a complete wreck right now, so I have to get it together because I can't stand a messy refrigerator. And I'm just going to organize it without all of those fancy smashy things that I like to see on Amazon and whatnot. So I'm going to get my multi-purpose cleaner and just start scrub-a-dubbing, and we're going to get it right.
Time is money, so I spend it on a watch. Hold on, little titty showing through the white tee. You can see the thong busting on my tight jeans. Okay, rocks on my fingers like a nigga wife me. Got another shorty, she ain't nothing like me. Yeah, about to catch another fight. The apple bottom make him wanna bite. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. Hold up, don't know, now you know. If you broke, then you gotta let him go. You can have anybody, any money, no. Cause when you boss, you could do what you want. Yeah, cause girls is players too.
Now we're getting to the nitty gritty, the end of the groceries, and the last things I put up are things that need to go into the pantry. My pantry is pretty much organized. I just have to straighten it up for the new things that I put in. So before you guys leave, I want to share with you a dinner recipe. Tonight we'll be making Japanese teriyaki chicken. You're going to want to dice your chicken breast. I dice mine into medium chunks, but you dice yours however you like. This recipe is by Street Kitchen. It's an Asian stir fry. I picked this up at my local grocery store. It typically serves 3 to 4 people. All you have to do is double the recipe if you need to serve more people, and you can finish this meal in 20 minutes. Street Kitchen provides all of the ingredients for your teriyaki sauce that will be going into this recipe. Dice the bell pepper and some onions, put it in along with my favorite seasonings: celery seasoning, garlic seasoning, salt, pepper, soy sauce with reduced sodium. I did let my chicken marinate in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Now that my chicken's been marinated for 24 hours, I want to cook it on medium-high heat. I will continue cooking it until your chicken is well done. My chicken took a little bit longer to cook just because I made bigger chicken chunks, so you may want to make them a little bit smaller, just a suggestion. Your stir fry is now done, so now you can add your teriyaki sauce. Overall, this dinner recipe was really good. The kids really enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. So we'll be cooking this recipe again. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I am actually going to leave you guys to listen to some more good music. I will see you beautiful people in the next video. Peace.
Get high, it's a vibe. Oh, it's a vibe, yeah.
That's a vibe. Oh, that's a vibe. Yeah, that's a vibe. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. That's a vibe. Yeah, it's a vibe. My type. What's the type? Maybe I'll spend the night. Yeah, that's a vibe. That's a vibe. Yeah.